Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close your GreenLink digital bank account. First, open the GreenLink digital bank app on your phone and make sure you are logged in using your username and password. Once you are in the home screen, look for the account balance. Before closing your account, make sure the balance is zero. If you still have the money in the account, transfer it to another bank. After that, tap on menu or go to the profile of the setting of the app. Look for the option that says account setting, manage account or close account. Tap on the option to continue. The app may show you the information about closing the account. Read the instruction carefully. It may remind you to cancel all the automatic payment or the subscription linked to your account. If everything is ready, tap close account or request close account. You may be asked to confirm your identity by entering your PIN, password or verification codes into your phone or the email. After confirming, submit the request. The bank will process your request and your account will be closed successfully. You may receive a confirmation message or email once the process is complete. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.